Good morning, friends. In this video, you are going to see about longevity. We have seen already about longevity, but we will see one more chart. We will see as much as possible so that we will get a variety of charts and the doubts can be clarified. In this video, we are going to share some new rules which are not yet taught in our classes. So, we request you to watch the video till the end. Here, we request our viewers once again to subscribe who have not yet subscribed, and also press the bell button so that you will get notified whenever we post videos. So now, going into the video, we will explain the rules once again. So we will take 3, 8, 12 houses, 3, 8, 12 lots for calculating longevity, and the relative distance between them decides the longevity. If it is Kendra, that is 1:1. It is long life. 4/10 and 7/7 we won't take it as Kendra and longevity. Only 1/1 we will take it as Kendra. And 1/1 Kendra means above 80. And 2, 12, 3, 11 means middle age 45 to 60. Then 4, 10, 5, 9 is 25 to 40. And 7/7 is sudden death or long life. And 6/8 is short life and sudden death. So these are the rules. Now in this chart, the Lagna is Aries, 3 is Mercury, 8 is Mars, 12 is Jupiter. So Mercury and Mars are placed as 5, 9. Mars and Jupiter as 4, 10. Jupiter and Mercury as 6, 8. So 4, 10, 5, 9 is 25 to 40 and 6, 8 is sudden death. So the lifespan is 25 to 40 and we have to integrate this with Dasa Bhukti. Now there are various types of death. One is by accidental death, other is suicide, and other is death due to illness and getting murdered by someone. In this, the person has committed suicide because the rule is Atri Sutra is 1 and 8 placed in third house, the person will commit suicide. So there are a lot of Ratri Sutras for committing suicide. This is one of the rules which we are explaining in this post. Here 5, 9, 4, 10, 6, 8 indicates 25 to 40 and we have to integrate this with Dasa. Here the person is born in Rahu Dasa, which is 9-year balance. Now after 9 years up to 16, 9 plus 16 up to 25 age, the person will run Guru Dasa. So Guru Dasa is coming in 3, 8 and 12. So Guru is appearing. So Guru is appearing in 3, 8, 12. Dasa has to be selected from 3, 8 and 12th lots. And also planets placed in the constellation of 3, 8, 12 will help in the timing of event. So now, since the age is also 25 to 40, we can say the person's longevity, life will end in Guru Dasa. After that, Saturn Dasa is coming. Saturn is not appearing here. So now Dasa is fixed. Next we have to fix Bhukti. For that you will take 8th house and 3, 11. 8 is Mars, further 3 is Saturn and 11 is Mercury. And Rahu is representing Mars, which is very powerful. And 8th Lord is also Mars and Rahu is placed in 8th. For selecting Bhukti you have to take 8, 3, 11 Lord. And among that, which planet is strongly representing the 8th house has to be selected as Bhukti. Here Rahu is placed in 8th and is also representing Mars, which is very strong. So we will take Rahu Bhukti. So the person will die in Guru Dasa and Rahu Bhukti. So this person born in 1993 and he died in 2017, 24 years. Here Rahu Dasa, Rahu Bhukti will be for 2 to 2.5 years. In that you have to fix the exact month and date. For that we are going to use transit that we will explain in the coming post. In the last post we explained the Dasa. Here we are explaining about Bhukti. So I will be uploading more videos. Here one more rule you have to see is Saturn is placed in 11th house and is aspecting the 8th house. Whenever Saturn is aspecting the 3rd house and 8th house, you have to add 30 years. That is our rule. But here we are not doing it because in 3, 8, 12 lots, whenever 6, 8 appears, we will not add 30 years for Saturn. I will repeat. In 3, 8 and 12 lots, we are finding the relative distance. In that, if 6, 8 appears, even if Saturn is aspecting the 3rd house or 8th house, we will not add 30 years. This is one important rule. So we have seen two important rules. One is first lord and 8th lord placed in 3rd house, suicide. And other is if 6, 8 appears in 3, 8, 12 combination. And even if Saturn aspects 3rd house or 8th house, we will not add 30 years. That is the rule. So now we are coming to the end. So if you have any doubts or if you have any charts, you can post in the comment section or send us in WhatsApp. We will make a separate video of that and you can explain about the rules. And also if you have any doubts, post in the comment section. We will explain in 2 to 4 days. And also if you send in WhatsApp, we will reply in the weekend. Queries which are not answered in the weekend will be carried to the next weekend. So thanks for your continued support. Take care. Bye.